Hello and welcome. You're watching Don Bosco Media Network. This is Meghalaya Rambai, bringing to you the news and events from Meghalaya. The headlines for today are: Northeastern Hills University decides to conduct the Common University Entrance Test for the undergraduate programs of central universities. Meghalaya Arts and Culture Department to transform the patriotic monument located at the premises of State Central Library, Shillong. 13 villages benefited from Health Mela organized by Office of BDO Million Block. And former Meghalaya Chief Minister Dringwell Rambai passed away. And now the news in detail. The Northeastern Hills University today took the decision to conduct the Common University Entrance Test for the undergraduate programs of central universities. This decision was taken at the meeting of Nehu Vice Chancellor with Meghalaya Education Minister Dringwell Rambai and principals of colleges held at the Multi-Convention Hall of the university. Speaking to the media, some of the principals said they were not fully convinced of holding such a common university entrance test, as many of the queries are yet to be answered.
One of the English, the language, then based on the text and also the general test, if the student opt, depend upon which course which subject they want to pursue in their graduation. But yes, the test will be based at least for the thing in the NCERT textbook. So, but the student have learned, because most of the curriculum is more or less same. But I hope that it will not be. It will be a big. In the mind of the student, there will be some problem, but I hope that they could overcome it. And seeing this trend, we also from the state government will see in the next 1 or 2 academic session how to go with it, so that the student should be competitive. As we have seen that the Meghalaya government is very proactive how to help the student.
The patriotic monument of Meghalaya is going to be transformed into an aesthetic delight with the incorporation of the gigantic figures of the 3 freedom fighters, Utirat Singh Siem, Ukiang Nangba and Patogan and Sangma at the premises of the Arts and Culture Department at State Central Library in Shillong. Meghalaya Arts and Culture Minister Sanbor Shulai, in the presence of Frederick R. Kharkongor, Commissioner and Secretary Arts and Culture, and Srimati W.A.M. Booth, Director of Arts and Culture, Government of Meghalaya, including Raphael Warjri, Chief Creative Director of Ritti Academy of Visual Arts, inspected the monument. Warjri will execute the project. The new monument will boost the morale of the youth and inspire the allegiance for the state and the country on the auspicious period of the 50th anniversary of statehood of Meghalaya and the 75th anniversary of national freedom struggle, Azadi Ki Amrit Mahotsav.
Ya kalawan kata jing mood hari ba ladon katuan lagi bebensian lagi kamtam young generation samla jungi ba kiwi life size statue ang tila don jong Subhash Chandra Bose jong idirakan di de kiai jumut ba habagiwan bu sintiu pat yau kiang nong ba Utirat Singh ba padon sungma indon statue tulong besang monumen sangna de nga hadin mangla simti gumu minister tengah apat barngong la saude begini sih begini sina beno full size statue jong hilai ngut ki klawat jong i nong ya kun ya lai lu na du Utirat Singh yang ba patalan semua dia ke bosna daga je trestom ning officer ba Frederick Tongbut director dia nilai initiate sebuah ka concern department nilai yo sudah mentah ke first fees lai pulak tiba Rafael ngila sedang ya ngakam but ngila ai por yu lai benai ba independent.
A total of 13 villages yesterday benefited out of a health mela which was organized at Pomlakrai Rangbibi village by the office of the BDO Million Block in collaboration with the block medical officer Mela. According to a statement, the health mela organized under the aegis of the National Health Mission, Meghalaya was attended by Nongkram MLA Lambor Malnyang and MDC RV Lungdo as the chief guest and the guest of honor respectively. Malnyang in his address lauded the Health Department and the office of the BDO for organizing the Health Mela and stressed on the importance of holding more awareness programs on healthcare.
Kani kadika human crutch. Kani ru kadi na kawai na ka first aid. Kani kadi banlong kum ka prika na ka aim jong ka first aid kadi ka banyada ya ka banni banyarap ya ka jigem jong ki breu hapor ba accident. Kani kawai ru kadai. Kabaar kadai ban prevents yaki bakham shitom shushu.
Former Meghalaya Chief Minister J.D. Rambai passed away today. In a condolence message, Meghalaya Chief Minister Conrad K. Sangma said, I am pained to learn about the demise of the former Chief Minister of our state, J.D. Rambai. Rambai was a great statesman adored by the people he served. His contribution to the development of our state will always be remembered. May his soul rest in peace. J. Dringwell Rambai was born on the 26th of October 1934. He was an impeccable politician of Meghalaya who represented the Jirang Assembly constituency in Meghalaya's Ribhoi district. He was born in a poor family and by dint of his hard work, he went on to become the Chief Minister of Meghalaya on the 15th of June 2026 when the then Chief Minister Dr. D.D. Lapang had to resign from the coveted post due to strong resentment in the Congress Legislature Party over his leadership. He completed his graduation from Shillong Synod College by attending the evening session and later obtained the B.Ed degree. After obtaining these degrees, he became the headmaster of a government school. Rambai left behind his wife Pegimon Pathau and 5 children. So viewers, that is all we have for you today. Until we meet again, thank you for watching.